Hi guys, I'm pretty sure you've missed my first look videos, so I'm back with NAP250 MOD power amplifier, and this is one of the amplifiers that I've promised you that I will be reviewing from the lower price brackets. In this case, this means that I've paid for that guy $120 including shipping. So this is basically the price range of the cheaper Class D amplifiers and cheaper ones at that. Okay, so it's very simple, it's very small, and it's very light. It's very light. It's called MOD, Mode 250 power amplifier. In front we have only the power switch with backlight that shows us the power status. And in the back we have RCA inputs, two sets of speaker output tabs, and standard IEC connector with integrated fuse compartment. And as you can see, you can get this guy in two voltage versions. I went with European one, but there's also 115 volts version. And in order to open it up, you need to remove just the top screws from the front and from the back, and that's it. You can remove the top cover, which is quite solid and nice, and that's how it looks like inside. I've seen that those PCBs for the power amplifier section, those ones can be bought separately for something like $20. Yeah, something like $20 for a full complete set. So this is something that you can also buy and modify on your own with a very small investment. So the weight is explained because we do not have any kind of toroidal transformer here. So this is basically, as I suppose, switching power supply with some rectifiers and some transistors. And the specification says that this guy can output maximum something like 75-80 watts per channel. So that explains simpler power supply, although obviously a nice toroid would be better. And we have one additional small board for the speaker protection. And yes, the design comes from our ASYPDZSW guys. And the amplifier boards are bearing the Panda logo, as you can see. So the capacitors, those guys, as you can see, are Lelons, the gold ones, the pink gold ones, something like that. The large caps over here are Chang caps. The gold green guys are HRK caps. So basically all of them are Chinese production, but I would tend to believe the parameters of those caps because they are not fakes. They are just local production that's, let's say, not very expensive. They are affordable caps, but those guys are working on their own brand names and they are producing those caps under their own brands. So if you'd like to modify this guy, yes, this is the first and the simplest thing to do, to replace them with something of your liking. The next mod that would be a little bit larger would be to replace the power supply, but I don't think it would be so simple with this particular chassis because you'd have to get something that would be fitting this chassis. And the transistors. The transistors, there are two pairs of them, one pair per channel. Those are ST2SC5200 pairs. So it's a very simple build. It's a very cheap build. It looks nice. It looks nice. It does have speaker protection. It does have two separate boards. It has one power supply. It does have fuse in the back here. And as I've said, it's super cheap. 120, 125, something like that, that I've paid for that included shipping. So I'm very, very curious about the sound quality of this little guy because this can be a really interesting alternative for the Class D amplifiers. This guy is Class AB amplifier. It's not Class A, it's not Class D, it's Class AB. And that's it. Let's do a slow flyby for your convenience, so you can take a look at the boards. I will link in the description to both the amplifier, the ready-made amplifier, and do-it-yourself board sets, because as I've said, you can order them populated with parts, or you can just buy the boards and the parts in bags, so you can solder and debug the construction on your own, replacing the parts that you will like to replace with something else. So it's a very simple build, and I keep my fingers crossed, yeah, like that, for it to sound good. And that's it. Thank you, and have a great day, and stay tuned for a full review of this guy. See you next time.